Hello everyone, welcome back to next tutorial. So in this section we gonna clean up the face. So how to clean and how to make it more beautiful, to whiten, to make it more attractive. And this created a lot of blemishes, then dark pixels and something like that. So we want to remove everything and make it beautiful, the face only. So the first thing, we can remove this watermark. Actually I just download this image from this website. Let's use the marquee tool. You can use any other tool, that's lasso or quick selection, to select this area. Let's select, then I'm just selecting first this portion because the background is similar. So right click, then fill, then contents, choose content aware, click OK. So it's replaced. Control D, then select this area, right click, fill, content aware, erased. Then only we have one, sorry. Let's zoom in and we have one more letter waiting here. Right click and fill, then okay. Okay, it's removed. It's finally removed. So the next thing we want to do is select the area we want to mask. I'm using the quick selection tool, then select the area. It's instantly selected because these have a similar color. Select this part also. Okay, this is enough. So the next thing we want to do is just select and mask. Let's smooth the value a little bit higher. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to do a lot of things here. Otherwise, just erase some portion that's coming out of the hair here. Let's do that. Like this. Okay, this is enough. Then on the bottom, that's output that goes new layer with layer mask. This is important. Then click OK. So it made a new layer with layer mask. We can select this eye icon to see all the parts. So the next thing we want to do is just select this image and go to filter, blur, then surface blur to blur this area. So take a look at that. This area is instantly blurred. We can change the radius and threshold. Threshold is the amount of blurriness. We can keep it down. Okay, this is enough. 15 is enough. And the radius, okay, 22 is enough as the radius. Then click OK. Then we can actually this really blurred and we want to do some more things to make it more better. Select the mask and select the brush tool to erase some more area here. Opacity, the 100, and flow, and also 100. Okay, let's drag here to see what happens. Let's zoom in. Drag like this to erase this portion. Okay, then let's keep the flow value a little bit down and make the edges more realistic. Now it looks more perfect. Let's keep it down. Okay, now it looks beautiful. Then also we can see some blemishes here. This one, then this one. Then remove this using the healing brush tool. Select that and select this one. Then sample a point from here and paste like this. Look at that, this has been removed. Let's sample from here. Okay, let's do this in this area also, this portion. Okay, it has been removed. Then the next thing we want to do is select the blur tool and blur some more areas. This area is now being blurred and you can choose the strength 50% or higher in this area because this is not affected a lot of light like this. blur like this. Look at that, it's removing or making it more beautiful. And make sure to select this image, not the layer mask. And here, and before going here, let's change the strength to a 30 or down because the light will affect. Now it looks perfect. Then the next thing we can do, or let's do this in the neck also. Okay, neck is perfect. Then the next thing we want to add noise to the image. It really looks just like the our mobile camera filter. So we want to give some noise to this. That's filter noise, then add noise. Okay, look at that. And I keep it higher, this area goes crazy. Keep it like this. Is this enough? You can arrange for your values. Okay, this is enough for me. Look at that, this is enough for me. Or let's add some more noise, blur noise. If you make it smart filter, you can just by opening the smart filters. Okay, this is enough. So this is the whitening or making or just clean up of our face using Photoshop. This was the before. Let's go back. Before, let's make a photo copy snapshot, then after. Let's do that. Before and after. Before, after. It looks more beautiful right now and realistic. Then we can do some more thing here. Let's select the dodge tool, then select the highlights. We have a contour is here, and that's a realistic contour. That's a magenta color or red color here and here also. So let's select the range highlight and exposure a low value, then highlight the colors here. Look at that. Or keep it more exposure level more down 3 and keep it more higher. Look at that. Let's move it back before and after. Okay, anything. If you like this one, you can choose this. So this is whitening or cleanup of our face in Photoshop. Thank you.